Hey, welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, so if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at this brand new Rolex Cosmograph Daytona in Ever Rose Gold with a black dial and black diamond hour markers. This watch is worn on an Oyster Flex rubber strap with a matching Ever Rose Gold deployment. Model reference number for this watch is 116515LN. Retail price on this 40mm watch with diamonds is $32,450 as of 2022. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the size, the bezel, the dial, crown functions, as well as the movement on and the strap. And I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Starting off with the case size. This is a 40mm watch from my pointer finger to my thumb. And the watch looks like a good sized watch. You try it out on my wrist. Doesn't go over my wrist, or the legs don't go over my wrist. Oyster Flex, a little bit large on my wrist. Now you can see that there's a thinner profile. We'll turn the watch to the side. Nice thin profile for a chronograph watch especially. It does feel smaller than a Rolex GMT or a Submariner though, being that this is a beveled bezel, similar to a Datejust. And a Submariner and GMT have functional bezels that you turn around. Water resistance on this case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet, so you can take a shower with this on, maybe even go swimming with it. Take this off my wrist. Take a look at this winding crown here. It has a triple waterproofness to keep water out of the case. We want to screw it. First position is just to wind the watch. 10 turns will usually do it for me. Second position out will be to set the hands, the hour and minute hands, like so. Now you can screw down the crown and you should be set. The black ceramic bezel on this watch looks super clean and sharp. The bezel has a high polish to it with gold inlay in rose gold on that molded tachometer scale. And I love the contrast that the bezel has with the case of the watch while matching the dial color. The black diamond dial has a matching Ever Rose Gold diamond settings, as you can see clearly. You can see the subdial accents are also in rose gold as well. And there's Ever Rose Gold hour and minute hand, chronograph seconds hand as well. If you look closely right under the center of the dial, you'll see Daytona in red. The movement that runs this watch is an in-house caliber 4130 automatic. Has a power reserve of 72 hours. The strap on this watch is an Oyster Flex rubber strap. Provides some breathability, especially in hotter climates. It allows your watch to actually sit above your wrist, or the strap to sit further from your wrist so it can breathe. There's different sizes for the Oyster Flex straps. This one, the way you can tell is by looking at the end of the strap piece. In this case, we're looking at EG on the 12 o'clock position and D on the 6 o'clock position. You can see also there's an Ever Rose Gold deployment buckle. Offers a little bit of room, more room if you want, by releasing the Easy Link feature. That releases at about maybe another 1/8 of an inch. Allows your wrist to breathe even more. Now overall, in my opinion, this is a great dress watch for a person who wants a no-nonsense, simple classic dial. It wears nicely under the cuff. Now it would go very well with a dress shirt and a black suit. Now I think the Oyster Flex rubber strap can be worn for a serious look. It's not bulky and wide. Tapers nicely. It looks classy. The 40mm case does feel right on my wrist, being that it is gold. It does give some heft, but the Oyster Flex strap makes it easier to wear than if you were to wear it with a full gold bracelet. Now if you like diamonds and rose gold and you'd like to fit this under your business attire, this watch is for you. If you want to know where to get this watch, we have it in stock. Again, the model reference number for this Ever Rose Gold Daytona is 116515LN. So go to jazztime.com and click buy now. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on show more to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.